Water is your community's most precious resource. It's also the most expensive inventory in your utility. Every gallon of non-revenue water counts. You pay to source it, pay to treat it, and to pump it to your customers, only to watch the revenue vanish before it hits the meter. In a time of scarcity and tightening budgets, you can't afford to let your water or your dollars slip away. It's time to close the gap. Hey, my name is Drew Blackwell. I'm the Director of Water Efficiency at Kavanaugh, and I'm really excited to announce this partnership with RCAP to deliver regional water loss training workshops to utility staff in the communities that RCAP serves. In this brief video, we'll introduce some of the concepts of the training workshops, who should attend, and what you can expect to get out of it. RCAP already has an incredible reach when it comes to top-notch training and technical assistance. Water utilities and staff such as yourself play a critical role in our communities and face a lot of challenges every day. Water loss control is just one of those challenges. It's an important challenge that no utility is immune. So let's dive into it. We'll be holding one workshop in each of the RCAP regional affiliate areas. The dates and times and location are still being organized, so please keep an eye out from your regional staff or RCAP for those details soon. For many in this workshop, this is going to be the first step towards effective water loss management, and we're really excited to work with all of you. Once you hear from your RCAP staff and dates and the location in your region, don't delay. You don't want to miss this workshop, and we really look forward to working with you all. Some of the things that we'll cover, we'll talk about the water balance approach based on the M36, the AWWA M36 methodology. Really, the difference here is we're accounting for all volumes of water going into the drinking water system and no longer attributing any account of water loss in terms of a percent or in terms of unaccounted for water. Rather, we are accounting for all volumes of water going into our drinking water system. We're going to introduce the industry standard tool, the American Water Works Association free water audit software. As the name suggests, it is a free tool, so the price is right. And this is the industry standard tool that utilities all across North America are using to quantify their water losses, but also the value of the water that they're losing and an evaluation of how reliable the data is. It really is a fantastic tool in a format that everybody's going to be familiar with. We're also going to provide hands-on experience through some common exercises. We don't want to just show you the water audit. We want you to use it, apply the knowledge that you learned in the workshop so you're able to take this information forward with you and use your own utility-specific information into the water audit. We also want to introduce the concept of data validity. We've all heard the concept garbage in, garbage out. We want to make sure that we are instilling a sense of how reliable the data is that we are going to be ultimately be plugging into the water audit software. So data validity gives us an opportunity to review our practices and policies, how we are managing and maintaining instrumentation and our data in our water system to give us some next steps that we might consider to improve the reliability. And of course, introducing this new tool, we want to make sure that we understand how to interpret the results. Again, we're not looking at water loss as a percentage or attributing any volume under unaccounted for water, but we're accounting for all volumes of water in our system And we're looking at it in terms of how much water we're losing volumetrically, how much it's costing us each year, and then how reliable is the data that we're putting into this tool in the first place. Now, who should be part of this workshop from your utility? There's a lot of folks that can be a part of this. We see a lot of different roles here on the screen, but we want to encourage you to bring somebody from your utility that's responsible for and knowledgeable in supply meter testing, or supply metering and distribution, billing, customer metering, someone from finance, and also someone from general management to understand the big picture of what we're trying to accomplish here. Now, a lot of you may wear a couple different hats and fit a different several of these roles. That's okay, but this is an interdepartmental effort, and we want to make sure that these folks are coming to the workshop with you. When you do come to the workshop, you'll be met by one or two of these individuals that you see on the screen. This is our Kavanaugh Water Efficiency Team, all subject matter experts in water loss control. So you're in good hands with these folks. We'll also have some special guests of RCAP staff. Earlier this year, we met with RCAP staff from your region and trained them into how to best equip and support utilities in the communities that they serve into using the water audit software and developing a water loss program. So these individuals are going to be taking the knowledge they've already gained and meeting us at these regional workshops to assist in the teaching process, but also to connect with you and let you know that there is a person in your region that is there to help you and support your water loss management efforts. So again, we'll be holding one workshop in each of the RCAP regions. We are really excited to meet with you, and please stay tuned from the RCAP staff to let you know when a workshop is coming in your area. These will be a full one-day workshop, and the only thing you really need to bring is a laptop computer. We will be doing group exercises, so it's not imperative that each individual has a laptop, just as long as we have one for the group that you and your utility are bringing to the workshop. So without further ado, really appreciate your time in watching this video. Can't wait to work with you in these regional workshops, and see you soon. Thank you.